Looking to upgrade your sound system with earth-shaking bass and crystal-clear highs? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best floor-standing speakers of 2025, featuring everything from $500 performance beasts to $2,000 audiophile-grade masterpieces. Whether you're setting up a home theater, building a 2-channel hi-fi system, or just craving immersive sound, we've got something in every high-end budget range. Let's break down the features, sound quality, and value of the best tower speakers you can buy right now. Stick around to find out which speaker takes the number 1 spot, and why it might be the perfect fit for your setup. Number 5. The Polk Audio Reserve R700 is an outstanding choice for those seeking powerful, dynamic floor-standing speakers without breaking the bank. Priced at around $891 per speaker, approximately $1,782 per pair, the R700 delivers excellent value for home theater enthusiasts and music lovers alike. Equipped with a 1-inch Pinnacle ring radiator tweeter, 6.5-inch turbine cone mid-range driver, and dual 8-inch long throw woofers, this tower speaker offers a rich and immersive audio experience. It's high-res certified, supports Dolby Atmos, and is IMAX enhanced, making it perfect for dynamic home theater soundtracks and high-fidelity music playback. The cabinet is carefully engineered with acoustic bracing to minimize distortion, delivering clear highs, detailed mids, and deep, tight bass. Whether you're enjoying an action-packed movie or your favorite playlist, the R700 fills the room with impactful sound and precise imaging. Its sleek black finish and modern design make it a stylish addition to any living space, blending well with your existing decor. Polk's Reserve R700 combines impressive performance and features at a very attractive price, ideal for budget-conscious audiophiles. For those wanting reference-quality audio on a budget, the Polk Reserve R700 stands tall as a reliable and exciting choice. Number 4. The KEF Q11 Meta is a stellar choice for audiophiles seeking advanced technology combined with elegant design. Priced at around $1,237 each, approximately $2,474 per pair, this speaker delivers exceptional sound clarity and precision, making it ideal for both music lovers and home theater enthusiasts. At the core of the Q11 Meta is KEF's innovative UniQ driver array featuring metamaterial absorption technology, MAT. This technology dramatically reduces distortion by absorbing unwanted sound behind the tweeter, resulting in clearer highs and more natural mid-range performance. The Q11 Meta also includes dual low-frequency drivers and passive radiators, providing deep, well-controlled bass that doesn't overwhelm the detailed mids and crisp treble. Its wide sound dispersion creates a spacious and immersive listening experience, perfect for larger rooms. The stunning white gloss finish adds a modern, stylish touch to any living space, blending aesthetics with performance seamlessly. KEF's Q11 Meta raises the bar with its precision engineering and elegant looks, delivering a soundstage that feels alive and spacious. For anyone wanting a high-end, versatile floor-standing speaker that combines technology and beauty, the KEF Q11 Meta is a top contender. Number 3. The Fluance AI-81 Elite is a fantastic option for those seeking powerful, all-in-one floor-standing speakers without needing an external amplifier. Priced at around $549 per pair, these powered speakers deliver excellent sound quality and versatility at an accessible price point. Each speaker features a built-in 150-watt amplifier, driving a 2-way system with a 1-inch silk dome tweeter and dual 6.5-inch woven glass fiber woofers. This combination provides crisp highs, rich mids, and surprisingly deep bass for the speaker's size, making it perfect for both music and movie listening. Connectivity options are extensive, with Bluetooth, optical input, dual RCA inputs, and a subwoofer output, allowing seamless integration with TVs, turntables, PCs, and other devices. This makes the AI-81 Elite ideal for users who want a clean, simple setup without sacrificing audio quality. The speakers come in a stylish white walnut finish that complements modern decor, adding a touch of elegance to any room. The Fluance AI-81 Elite offers plug-and-play convenience with impressive sound clarity and depth, an excellent choice for budget-conscious audiophiles. If you want high-quality powered floor standers that blend performance and convenience, the AI-81 Elite is a top pick. Number 2. The Focal Aria 936 EVO is a high-performance floor-standing speaker that blends elegant French design with impressive sound quality. Priced around $2,899 per pair, it's a premium choice for audiophiles and home theater enthusiasts seeking detailed, dynamic sound. This three-way speaker features three 6.5-inch flax cone woofers, a dedicated mid-range driver, and a 1-inch TNF aluminum/magnesium inverted dome tweeter. The flax cones provide natural and lively sound with excellent bass response, while the tweeter delivers smooth and clear highs. The dedicated mid-range ensures vocal clarity and precise imaging. The Aria 936 EVO's tall and slender cabinet is designed for optimal acoustic performance and aesthetics, fitting well into both modern and classic interiors. It's also relatively easy to drive, working well with a variety of amplifiers. With refined detail and rich dynamics, the Aria 936 EVO offers a truly immersive listening experience. If you want a floor stander that handles everything from subtle classical to explosive movie soundtracks with finesse, the Focal Aria 936 EVO is a top-tier choice. Number 1. The klipsch Reference Premiere RP-8000F II is a standout floor-standing speaker known for delivering powerful, dynamic sound at an unbeatable price. Priced at just $499 per speaker, around $998 per pair, it offers exceptional value without sacrificing performance, making it a favorite among both audiophiles and home theater enthusiasts. This tower features dual 8-inch cerametallic woofers that provide deep, impactful bass alongside a 1-inch titanium LTS vented tweeter housed in klipsch's signature hybrid Tractrix horn. This design ensures clear, detailed highs with minimal distortion, even at high volumes. With an impressive 98 dB sensitivity, the RP-8000F II is highly efficient, meaning it can produce loud, clean sound with less power from your amplifier or receiver. The sleek ebony cabinet is built with internal bracing to minimize resonance, resulting in a clean, crisp audio experience. The RP-8000F II offers explosive dynamics and crystal clear sound, making it perfect for movies and music alike. For those looking for a top-tier floor-standing speaker on a budget, the klipsch RP-8000F II is hard to beat. Thanks for watching our top 5 floor-standing speakers of 2025. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share your favorite speaker or questions in the comments below. Stay tuned for more awesome audio gear reviews. See you in the next one.